Big up yourself and subscribe to this channel. Watch, like, and share the videos. Oh, and don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified.
Miss, beggar money for buy something for eat, no? It's 5 days now, me not eat nothing.
Really? Me wish me did have your willpower for not eat for 5 days. You know how long me I try lose weight? You saw it though, cause me just spend half my money buy some fast food. Sure, I can't stand beggy people.
Big man, 6 days now, me not eat nothing. Beg you $5,000 for buy some food, no?
$5,000? Don't you think that's too much to ask for? Wouldn't you be better off asking for $1,000 or even $500?
Look, brother, give me anything you want, give me. Whether $1,000 or $500. But please, not tell me how to run my business.
Anyway, I don't travel with cash on me.
My boss, beg your money for buy something for eat, no? 7 days now, me not eat no.
Seriously? Alright. Here what me I go do. Me I go buy you a drink.
Me not drink. Me just want some money for buy some food.
And after I buy you the drink, me I go get you some Cuban cigars. Or some good Sensimilia.
Me not smoke. All me want is a little money for buy some food for eat.
You know what say? Me have a good tip in the 7th race over Cayman Park. Is a 25 to 1 shot. I go and put up the money and you collect the winnings.
But brother, me not gamble. All me want is a little money for buy something for eat.
Alright. Here what me I go do. Me I go carry you home so you can eat dinner. Honey, I bring home a bridging for dinner. Hard times reach him, and him now begging on the streets.
Why you want do that?
Me want my wife say what happen to a man where don't drink, don't smoke, and don't gamble.